Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Notion timeline views for project delivery, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Notion app and navigate to your existing project page. Locate the database where your timeline view is set up. If you don't have a timeline view yet, create a new database by selecting the table option. Choose the timeline view by clicking on the plus add a view button at the top left corner. Give your new timeline view a name that reflects its purpose, like Project Delivery Timeline. In the timeline settings, adjust the date range. You can set the start and end dates for each project to visualize the timeline effectively. Drag and drop the tasks or projects to rearrange them as needed. To customize task details, click on any task to open its properties. Here, you can add relevant information like assignees, status, and any other necessary data. If you need to create new tasks, click the New button at the bottom of your timeline. Enter the details for your new task, ensuring to set appropriate dates for its timeline representation. To further enhance your timeline view, explore the filter option to display only specific tasks. You can filter by various criteria, such as status, priority, or assignee. Next, adjust the properties visible on the timeline by clicking on the three dots in the upper right corner. Select properties to toggle which fields you want to appear. You can choose to show or hide different attributes based on your team's needs. For color coding, select tasks and use the status or tags property to differentiate them. Assign colors that correspond to project phases or team responsibilities for better clarity. Review your timeline periodically to ensure it reflects real-time project updates. Encourage your team to keep the database current by updating task statuses and dates regularly. Finally, share the timeline with your team by adjusting the sharing settings to allow collaborative access. By following these steps, you'll have a well-organized timeline view that keeps your project delivery on track. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.